Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be doing my boxycharm unboxing for January of 2019, and we'll just jump right in this. As you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup because everything that's in this box I'll be trying on my face today. And this is what the box looks like. And this is the card this month, and it's Boxy and Chill, and I got variation number 2. So that's the first thing. I really like that. I like the colors. They're very like My Little Pony or Care Bears. Super cute. Okay, so the first thing that I see in this box is a brow pencil, and this is from the company BDB. Billion Dollar Brows. And it has a little spoolie on one end. And it is a retractable pencil, and I did not do my brows, so we're gonna see how this baby works. Okay, and I'm sorry for if my voice sounds a little funny. I do have kind of a sore throat. And yeah, that looks really pretty. It's very creamy. It's not rough at all. It's smooth and easy to apply. Yeah, I really like this. Okay, so this Billion Dollar Brow Pencil, Universal Brow Pencil, retails for $18. It's not bad. I mean, it's pretty good. The next thing that's in the box is this Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette, Volume 3. And this retails for $36. Let's go ahead and see which one it is. And what I like about this is it has little cards, as you can see, that kind of tell you how to apply it if you're not quite sure. And I did put a transition shade. I just used the Park Avenue Tarteless palette, or is it Tarteless? No, Park Avenue Princess palette. I just used that as a transition shade. I think it was the shade Princess. Let me see. I used the shade Princess Cut as my transition shade. Okay, and this is what the palette looks like. Let's go ahead and swatch a few colors. Very pretty. See, this is my kind of palette. I love this. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this little flat packing brush from Sonia Cash. Ooh, I like how it actually has the names around it in the circle. I never noticed that before. I'm going to go in with the shade Raise right here. And I'm gonna go dry first. Kind of see how it applies. I really don't like it dry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wet it. It just looks really flaky and chalky. So let's see if a little bit of thing, and I'm just using my Mario setting spray in the rose. Okay. Let's go ahead and try this with it wet now. Oh, that is much better. So I do recommend using these wet. Let me try with my finger. Ooh, that's even better. And then on the very outer part right here, I'm going to go ahead and put the deep shade, which is Malibu, just right here to kind of blend it in with that darker shade. I'm going to get a little smaller brush, and I'm going to get the shade Treasure, and I'm going to try to highlight underneath my brow bones with that. And sometimes when I'm doing that, just spray a little bit in the cap. That way you can keep going back in. I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Violet Voss palette, and I'm just going to take the color Teddy Bear right here and I'm going to line my eye, the top of my eyes with that. Just slightly, as you can see. And I'm gonna pop on some mascara real quick and I'll be right back with you. I've always wanted to do that. Okay, so mascara is on. I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll get all the flakies and all that stuff off. And I'm going to go into the next thing that's in the box. And by the way, how cute is this packaging? Isn't that adorable? It's like a peacock. Next thing in the box is this lipstick by Ofra. Hideous color as always. And this retails for $20 and is a matte liquid lipstick. Delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills the lips. Really? Why do they do this to me? I hate these colors. I like reds, not purples or burgundy. Okay, so that's the color. I really do not like it that much. It's way too dark for me. But I guess because the eyes are lighter, it's not as bad. But, oh. It's still not dried down. I'll let you know how it actually wears. Let it dry down first. Okay, so next thing that's in the box is the Briogeo. It's a milk repetitive leave-in conditioning spray, and it effectively restore your hair softness, manageability, moisture, and shine. Sarco milk spray infused with the signature blend of ultra nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. The spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, luster, and diminishing frizz. And this retails for $12. I wouldn't think that this is a full size. That would be the smallest full size. That would be the smallest full size leave-in conditioner. It smells really good. I'm gonna have to try this out. I did not actually put this in my hair today. And the last thing that's in the box is this Tarte Illuminating Dewy Skin Mask. And of course, I have not used these yet. It comes with two, and this retails for $24. I usually do like face masks once to twice a week if I have time. I have 4 children, so basically whenever I have a moment to myself, I'll actually use these. So yeah, I did not get to try those out. And the total value of this month's box was $110, which I don't really think that it's actually worth that much, because I think a lot of this, like this is probably a sample size or a deluxe sample size. And I don't know how much comes in the original box. I doubt it's just 2. I don't know. So, I mean, $110, I'm still satisfied with all my products. I mean, I would have choose a different color, but it is fall, so maybe I'll like wear it a few times, but they give me a lot of the same colors. I don't know why they're always giving me the same colors. It's like, hey, I got boxycharm to try different things that I normally wouldn't buy for myself, but when you're giving me the same colors, I think they need to like switch out colors, you know? You know what I'm saying? Because I get tired of getting the same things over and over again. But yeah, so that completes this unboxing video. I hope you like it. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. God bless.